Welcome to Intact Knowledge. In our QA/QC method statement series, today we are going to understand method statement for formwork.
We have already covered excavation, backfilling, concrete works, reinforcement work. Now it's time to understand formworks. Let's go.
Why formwork is important. Formwork is critical because it gives shape to concrete. It supports fresh concrete load. Poor formwork causes dimensional defects. That's why formwork must be properly planned and controlled. What is a method statement? A method statement is a written document that explains how a construction activity will be carried out, sequence of work, safety and quality controls, responsibilities of personnel. It ensures controlled and safe execution of work. What is formwork? Formwork is a temporary structure used to hold fresh concrete in place, maintain shape and dimensions, support loads until concrete gains strength. What is method statement for formwork? Method statement for formwork describes how formwork will be erected and dismantled, type of formwork system used, quality control measures, safety requirements. It ensures safe and accurate concrete works. Objective of formwork method statement. Main objectives are ensure correct dimensions and alignment, prevent leakage and deformation, provide safe working platform, maintain concrete surface quality, meet project specifications. Scope of work. This method statement applies to foundation, columns, beams, slabs, walls, all reinforced concrete works, at all project locations. Reference documents. Formwork work shall comply with approved structural drawings, formwork drawings, shop drawings, project specifications, project quality plan, PQP, ITP for formwork, relevant codes and standards. Responsibilities. Responsibilities include project manager, overall coordination, site engineer, execution and supervision, QA/QC engineer, inspection and compliance, safety officer, safety monitoring, formwork supervisor, installation control. Materials. Materials include plywood shuttering boards, steel aluminum formwork, props and supports, tie rods and clamps, release agents. All materials must be approved, clean, in good condition. Plant and equipment. Typical equipment used, adjustable props, scaffolding system, lifting tools, hand tools. All equipment shall be inspected, safe to use. Storage of formwork materials. Formwork materials shall be stored on flat surfaces, protected from damage, cleaned after use. Proper storage increases reuse and quality. Erection of formwork. Formwork erection shall be as per approved drawings, properly aligned and leveled, firmly supported and braced. All joints must be tight to prevent leakage. Alignment and level control. This ensure verticality of columns and walls, correct beam and slab levels, proper dimensions. Survey checks must be carried out. Release agent application. Release agent shall be approved type, applied evenly, prevent contact with reinforcement. This ensures smooth concrete finish. Inspection. Before concreting, ensure formwork is clean, dimensions and alignment are correct, supports and bracing are secure, approval is obtained. Stripping, dismantling of formwork. Formwork removal shall be as per approved stripping time without damaging concrete, using safe methods. Early removal may cause collapse. Safety measures. Safety controls include proper access and working platforms, use of PPE, fault protection, load capacity checks, housekeeping. Quality control measures. Quality checks include dimension check, alignment check, surface finish inspection, QA/QC approval. Inspection and approval. Inspection includes internal QA/QC inspection, consultant client inspection, approval before concreting, no concreting without approval. Records maintained. Records include formwork inspection requests, checklists, survey reports, approval records. Common formwork defects. Common defects include bulging, leakage, misalignment, honeycombing marks. Proper control prevents defects. ISO and QA/QC compliance. Formwork method statement supports ISO 9001 quality, ISO 40001 safety, project QA/QC requirements. Relation with other documents. This method statement is linked with method statement for reinforcement works, method statement for concrete works, ITP for formwork, NCR control procedure, CAPA procedure. Conclusion: method statement for formwork ensures structural accuracy, surface quality, safety compliance, controlled execution. If this video helped you understand method statement for formwork clearly, please like, share, and subscribe to Intact Knowledge. Keep in touch for more professional tutorials on QA/QC documents and construction method statements. Thank you.